And so when I went back, I took that addictive, that 15 times a day and not trying to use drugs, dude. I took that energy and I threw it in work. And you know how I work, dude. I'm a maniac. So I took it, and I basically, people started telling me, "Y'all, you just replaced one addiction with another addiction." And I'm like, yeah, that's exactly what I did. I replaced one addiction with another. And now I get addicted to the good things in my life.
Hey guys, thank you for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I just want to share with you all how people are making these $600 instant pay commissions. You guys, a lot of people are doing it. My community is growing. Yes, you can make $50, $150, $300, or $600 daily commission paid directly to your PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, Vimeo, Google Pay, Apple Pay, however you want to get paid. These commissions are going straight to you. Now, let me just show you what all the hype is about. This is what people have been getting and have been jumping on the bandwagon for, to be able to make these $600 instant pay commissions. So first, this is the $600 product. With the $600 product, you get a lot of things that comes with it. So let's just break it down and run through it real quick. So you will be able to earn on all the levels $50, $150, $300, $600 per commission. You get 200 pre-written ads with 60 bonuses, with 60 bonus images, winning mindset formula, the art of persuasion and influence, 7-day success action plan, 6-figure closing scripts, Facebook marketing strategies, 100 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing strategies, Facebook support groups, YouTube mastery, Instagram marketing strategies, how to create your 6-figure funnel. You get 30 email follow-ups to close your sales on autopilot. You got TikTok marketing. You get access to our VIP training and live chat. You get the 30 days of email marketing. You automate your social media growth with one powerful strategy. And these are all trainings. These is all step-by-step trainings that you get with this package. That's why everybody's jumping on it. So let's continue. You get the live trainings, how to become a professional content creator, 10K selling your own digital products, how to use your YouTube live for more exposure, closing high ticket secrets, how to make money with ClickBank and TikTok, Instagram, and scaling your business, automation for your business for more profit. And then you get a vacation voucher. You guys, this is powerful. Super powerful. So let's just say right here, let's just say how many sales you think you can do a day. How many people you think you can bring in a day? I don't know. Let's just say one. If you can bring in one person per day, you'll get $600 per sale. Every week it will be $4,200, and every month will be $16,800 just for selling one product a day. I told people to make 6 figures, you need at least $300 a day. To make $1 million, you're gonna need at least $3,000 a day. So the in-between number is kind of like that 600 number. But however, if you're able to make $600 per commission, would you do it? And you could do it with these training right here that a lot of people have been promoting, even myself. It's $600, of course, plus a one-time admin fee just to set up your website. But the kicker is there is no monthly fees. No monthly fees. That's the kicker, man. So let's just expand your mind right quick. Imagine you can make 2 sales a day on autopilot. That's $1,200 a day. $8,400 every week, and $33,000 a month. You guys, people are doing this Um, I don't know why people still on the fence about it, but you can come over here, the link below. You can check out the website, play with these numbers. But you guys, here's what you get when you join the six-figure blueprint. So let's just jump into the training. Um, this training is still the same thing. Like you said, everything that I have named, it is on this side. But let me just show you, like you said, the Instagram marketing. You just don't get one video. There are 5, 8, 9. There are 9 videos in just Instagram. Let's look at YouTube. It said how to generate 2 to 5 sales per day on automation. Look how many videos there is, and these are step-by-step training tutorials that's gonna help you get to that next level. Like I said, look at all these videos. Like, you just don't get in and just get one video per section. Look at this. TikTok. Go viral with TikTok. Let's continue. Intro to TikTok. Get started with TikTok. How to drive massive traffic on TikTok. You know, the marketing strategies and bonuses. You know, some more content. You guys, look how much information, and that's just 3 categories. See, that's why people are jumping on this. Like, I don't know if you're struggling with Instagram, Facebook, or even just affiliate marketing in general. You guys, this training is the best. I couldn't say it no more than that, man. But this right here, this is what I got in for, because 200 pre-written ads. These ads are already written for you. Only thing you have to do is just copy them and paste them to your social media sites. And basically, of course, you have to follow up with your leads, because it's going to generate a lot of leads. You just have to follow up with your leads, and then that's it. Your little 2-3 hours a day is done. It's done. Es todos. It's done. But yeah, that's why I got in at this level, because I was able to get 200 pre-written ads. Like I said, you can check the list below. Like I said, look at everything that you would get with this package, and so you can make the right decision. Let me just show you one more. Automate your business, and let's just show you how much information you get in this. Like I said, you just don't get just one video. You get several videos within each, I could say, each module. So don't feel like, oh man, it's only one video per module. No, it's a lot of information, and it's step by step. And this right here, let me show you your 7-day action plan for success. That, if you follow this right here, there's a no-brainer. You're gonna win in any marketing. I don't care if it's this, or you're promoting something else. If you follow the 7 days, it's only 7 days of the week, so you know what to do every day to get this product out. But let me go ahead and show you our Facebook group, show you some people that are winning with this same product. As of right now, this lady right here, deposited of 5,800, which ain't bad. And she just basically just staying consistent. Like you said, here go another guy that got in, and she made another $600 commission. And these are real people. You see that today, the 18th. This is the 16th. So right now I'm in the proof group. I'm just showing you guys proof that people are making this type of income, and you could too. All you have to do is just click the link below. Like you said, just check out the information. Everything is there for you, like you said. And then once you get in, the system does all the selling, all the telling, and explaining for you, so you won't have to explain it to anybody. You can if you want to, but imagine you got hundreds of people coming in every day asking for that same information. You can't just take time out to explain it to every last person. You have to just basically put them in the system, let the system do it, with the email follow-ups. Only thing I recommend you to do is just get back on Facebook or whatever they ask you for the information. If it was text message, like you said, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, after 48 hours, man, you follow back up with them. It's the same method. It's the same thing that you're going to get with the 7-day action plan. And that's the main thing. Follow up. See, she made 62,000 last year. And then she made 1,800 yesterday. You guys, yes, this is possible. Yes, this is for anybody. Yes, this is for newbies. We actually have a newbie package as well. So let's come up here. If you just now getting started with affiliate marketing or online marketing, or you don't know exactly where to start, just get the $50 package. $50 package still gonna get the 7-day action plan. You're gonna get the 6-figure closing closing script. You're gonna get 30 Facebook groups, and you get 30 ads. It's not much, but it's definitely something to get started, to get your feet wet, and yeah, man, to check it out, man. So, like you said, man, people are coming in as super affiliates. Shout out to James Fomble. He's been killing the game for a while. And Sydney, she's been doing the same thing. And be crushing it. We all crushing it over here, man. So we got a big community. This is just a proof group. If you want to get in here and browse around, just shoot me a message, and I can get you in there. But for the most part, you guys come check out this 6-figure blueprint that we have, man, and come down here to this calculator and just see where your numbers at. See if you can make one sale a day or one sale a week, or if you can make 6 sales. 6 sales in a month can get you 3,600, but 6 sales a day for a whole month, 100,000. So, man, the possibilities are endless, man. So y'all just get with me, man. Just click the link below, check it out, see if it's something that you resonate with. And if it is, man, go on, get in. I'm gonna shoot you over the training, put you in these groups so we can go and get you that money, man. So hopefully y'all find value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team, and I'll see y'all on the next video. All right, peace.